everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make Swiffer Wetjet solution at home. That way you don't have to buy the refills. You can just simply use the same bottle that you had before and just refill it. So if you want to learn how to make it at home, then just please keep watching. So the first step is to get the cap off of the container. In order to do this, you'll have to run it under some hot water. The first time that I did this, I did have to heat up some water in the microwave and then submerge the cap in the water for about 30 seconds. But after that, you're able to just run it under the sink faucet and you should be good to go. The next step is to fill it with whatever floor cleaner that you would like. Some people like to use essential oils, vinegar. I simply just use the Mr. Clean floor cleaner and water. And once you're done, just replace the cap and you're good to go. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more cleaning content, and I hope to see y'all in the next one. Bye!